What's up guys, welcome to a new video. So in today's video I want to help you guys create a TEAMFIGHT TACTICS account. So the first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and type in TEAMFIGHT TACTICS. Now we're gonna click on this particular one. Good, now you can set up your region. Mine is good. And we can start to we can begin to create our account. Click on play for free, scroll down and click on it. And let's get started. So we need the email. Make sure you fill that in. After you've done that, click start. So they need a birthday. Click on next after you fill that in. Okay, now we can choose our username. After you've done that, create your own password. Now confirm the password. And click on I agree to the terms of use and I have read and acknowledged the privacy policy. And click next. So they need to verify that you're not a robot. And I need to click on the images that contains an airplane. Probably yours is going to be different. And check. Oh, sorry. Okay, next. And check. So you're good to go. Now you can click download for Windows or I don't know, PS4 or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If I was helpful and you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.